There's some old bird seed. I raked it off the stand and raked it on the ground. And the little doves come for that. I wanted to get footage of the woodpecker, but he comes and goes so quick. And I'm not seeing just the doves right now. And a red bird that comes and goes. But I don't even see the red bird now. Probably because I moved closer to the window and they can see me. And they are very, very shy. There's a squirrel over there in that feeder. And there's a squirrel behind that tree in a feeder. Right there. With the rain, really looking forward to spring. I think this spring I'm just going to plant some of the bird seed out there and see what happens. Maybe then the squirrels and stuff will have more food. Right now it's just like they're taking turns coming to the feeder, grabbing a piece of food, and then flying off. And the little doves are just down there, and they're the ones I worry about the most because cats, there are so many cats that neighbors have and just run wild. And there's the woodpecker. Oh, he's beautiful. Well, there you go. I finally got the woodpecker in.